Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, just before the video starts, I'm just going to do a bit of an announcement on my channel. Some people by now probably have seen that we are starting a brand new YouTube channel. Actually today, this video is being filmed on the day the video is being put up, so the new channel will be launched tomorrow night at 8:30. But please do not panic, we're not getting rid of Farming Ure. Farming Ure is still carrying on. This is just a brand new channel with a new challenge that I want to do. So when you see the name tomorrow night, you'll probably know what it's all about. But I have made a video what will be up on the new channel to explain about what we are doing on the new channel. So that's enough about the new channel. Let's go on with today's video. Today's video, we went out about a week and a half ago to see a New Holland Combine TX66 working near Lyons Hall. The combine is owned by Chris Price and he is from Moorcourt Farm near Lyons Hall. It was a fantastic day, a bit cloudy but still a fantastic day with filming. I think you're going to enjoy the video. Like I've said before, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button under the video. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget, ring that bell to get notification on every time we post new videos on the channel. So thank you ever so much for watching. The video will start now just after this. Thank you. Hello everyone, we have finally arrived at the field. Now you can see in front of you, we are filming with today a New Holland TX66. This combine approximated horsepower is 277 horsepower. The fuel tank size is 600 litres. This combine is a 6-straw walker machine. And the header on the front of it is a 25-foot cut. You can see it is cutting rape near Lyons Hall. And the farmer is called Chris Price and he is from Moorcourt Farm. Now a big thank you for Chris for letting us come by and film with him. We're going to film with Chris throughout the year. We're hopefully going to catch up with his wheat harvest and we're going to as well catch up with his fruit harvest and see his apple harvester working as well, because we really want to get that up on the channel as well, because I haven't got one of them working on the channel. But today, like I said, they are cutting rape. You can see from the combine that they are not chopping their rape on because they keep all their straw for the livestock. They've got their own square baler, what we're hopefully going to catch up with on the wheat, if the weather plays ball and stays dry long enough for us to get out to film with them. Now, as the combine's turning now, you can see the combine is fitted with a rape extension. Now that's clearly visible as the combine turned round. This rape extension isn't made by New Holland, but it's a rape extension what is fitted to all brands of combine. This combine hasn't got an hydraulic front push out and put panels in for the rape extension. It's this manually bolted on the front of the combine. As well as that, the vertical knives on this combine are not hydraulic. They are two electric motors run from two switches in the cab. And as well as that, like I said on one of my previous videos, a rape extension is fantastic for not having too many losses. Now on rape, you've only got to touch, and people out there watching farming will understand what I'm saying by this. You've only just got to touch the rape and it sheds. It's one of them crops, just a bit and it is scattered everywhere. So that's why you try to have a rape extension on the front. Now as the combine's going forward, you'll love to see how the vertical knives work and how the rape extension works as well. But as it comes forward, the knife is more forward than where it would be on a conventional. It's pushed out more forward, so the rape's cut off and it tries not to be disturbed. It's cut off, and before the rape knows it, it's into the combine. And as you can see now, there's Chris going by with a New Holland tractor and his Bailey trailer to take a load off the combine. Now, as the combine is coming back up the field again, I'll explain a bit more about what I mean about the rape extension. Now, like I said, it's cut off, and before the rape knows what's going on, it's into the auger and up the intake elevator into the combine to try to get not many losses as possible. You know, with rape, try to keep the losses to a minimum. But like I said, it was a fantastic day filming. And like, hopefully we'll get out on the wheat harvest and see their combine working on the wheat harvest. Um, and I'll explain a bit more about the combine then. But like I said, this is a straw walking machine. And a straw walking machine is a bit different from a rotary. A straw walking machine, in my opinion, keeps the straw length better than a rotary. A rotary, 9 times out of 10, will smash the straw up in dry conditions. I know some people might say you can slow the rotor down and do stuff like that. Yes, you can. But for me, driving a combine, I haven't a lot to do with rotary, but straw walker machines, I've always seen the straw length is better. And if you want to keep the straw or sell the straw, it is a good combine for that. I know rotary combines, you've got a bigger output, but a straw walker machine with a big header, you've still got a fantastic output on that. Now I'm going to be quiet now, and I'm going to let you get on with the video, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye bye for now.